proximity to that.
I know. I mean, the way I see it is you can deface any picture of me. Anyone. Pick one. Not my kid, though.
Who did this? Who did this? Do you know who did this?
I know who did this.
Dwight.
Dwight?
Yeah.
No.
He should pay.
No.
Yeah,
Did.
he is gonna pay. This is fireable.
Okay.
I mean,
Let me just see it one more time. You know what? I know who my friends are now. But I shouldn't have got you involved. Because the truth is, I don't even really care about this picture. It's a little out of focus. It was probably an accident, right? Like,
That's no accident.
right. You're right. So maybe it was me who did it. By accident.
What?
I'll figure it out. Get to the bottom of it. Mary, Mary.
None of this garbage. This is Chris.